Is Shopify good for small businesses? Let's find out. In this video, I'll explain why Shopify is good for small businesses if you're just starting up. So let's get started. So one of the reasons why people often go to Shopify, it's because how easy and cheap it is. Like, as you can see, for the first couple of months, it's only going to cost you like $1. That's what their plan says. As you can see right here, it'll just cost you $1 for 3 months. So first couple of months, it's going to be absolutely free. You can use their service. You can use it to start making money. And it's super, super easy. You have a product line. All you got to do is just simply add products. Adding products is very simple. Just simply come over here onto the left-hand side, click on products, and start adding different products. So over here, you can just simply add your products. And once you've done that, you're good to go. Then you can just simply go ahead and set up your website. And setting up your website is absolutely easy because there's literally nothing you have to do. All you got to do is just teeny tiny bit of configurations, but that you don't even need an expert to do that because you can simply use one of their themes that they provide. So over here on the left hand side, we'll go into online stores. We have themes over here. In this theme section, you can just simply go ahead and pick out any theme that you like and just go with it. So over here, they're asking you to pick a theme, and you can see these themes are free and you can pick them out as well. So, well, some of them are free, some of them are not, but you can just simply go ahead and pick out any theme you like and you can start working with it. And then all you have to do is just change the images and your website is ready. So you've got the product ready, you've got the website. Now all that's left to do is just fill out the technical side, which is just simply coming over here onto the left hand side, clicking on the bottom, clicking on settings, and just adding in your store details, picking out a plan, adding the billings, adding a payment method, users and permissions. If you have multiple users, you can go ahead and do that. You have your payment section over here. You can fill out your payments. Over here, choose a payment provider, which you can choose whichever one you want. So this is for testing. You can use other ones as well, such as Ocean Pay, Payoneer Checkout. You can just simply fill out these simple little tiny little things, and then you are good to go. And if you're wondering what it'll cost you, over here is the pricing plan. So over here, as you can see, it's $19 for the basic, $49 for the Shopify, and $2.99 for advanced. And you don't even need these two plans because you literally need just $19 to start using Shopify and start creating your own personal brand, start selling products, start making money. It's just that easy. So to conclude, whether or not Shopify is good for small businesses or startups, I would say definitely. Do they work 100% of the time? Absolutely not. It depends on how well you do your research, what type of products you sell, and then how much you've learned and what your skills are. Once you've applied all of these onto your store, then you might have a chance. I've known people that in the first couple of times, their Shopify stores failed multiple times. But after a couple of failed attempts, it works. So is it worth it? Definitely. Is it going to work out for everyone? Definitely not. So make sure you have the right products, the right knowledge, the right skills, and the right determination, and you will succeed. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.